Hey guys, I woke up like about 10 minutes ago and then just got out here on my bike and it is crappy as fuck today. It is not nice out at all. It's cloudy, it's sprinkling a little bit. It's just an awful day. Like it's just not nice out like the last couple days. But I guess we were supposed to get some rain anyway. Like, I heard we still have some storms and stuff this week, and it's just gonna be awful. It's gonna be nice for a while. I think we're supposed to get a lot of storms soon, or whatever it is. I can be honest, I'm not ready. I don't want storms. I just want it to be nice out again. But I think I'll get what we want. It's just gonna be raining a lot. I'm not looking forward to rain at all. I hate rain. Well, I don't hate rain. I don't like it. I don't like it. So that's a sweet Hummer. But I don't like Hummers at all. Hummers are, they're huge, and they're gas guzzlers. I don't like Hummers much at all. So, yep, I don't like Hummers very much at all. If you own a Hummer, I'm sorry. I don't like Hummers very much. They're huge and they take a lot of gas. And you have to get gas like every 5 minutes. So, yeah, they just take a lot of gas. Too much gas to be exact. That's why I don't like Hummers, because I would have one, but then I would like get rid of it because it takes too much gas. You have to get gas so many times a day just to keep them filled up. I'm gonna whip around here. Right here. I'm just gonna do a little U-ey. Probably not smart, but in the middle of the road. There's no one coming though, so it's okay. I just hope it didn't start like pouring down rain while I'm out here, because that would just make me mad, because I don't want to get wet at all. But we had a great Father's Day yesterday. Got to see the whole family and everything, and my cousin came over to our house afterwards, and we hung out for a while playing Xbox. It's kind of nice to hang out with him. He's actually growing up a lot more, and he's not like he used to be when he was younger. So that's good. It's a good improvement for him. So it's good that he's finally growing up a little bit. Yeah. So, and I don't have really much going on today, really. I'm gonna be sitting at home probably because it's so bad out today. It's not nice out today at all. So I might just might sit at home and just watch TV or play Xbox or something like that. I don't know really what I will do. I'll just find something to do. You gotta find something to do when it's rainy and ugly outside. Because when it's rainy and ugly outside, it's like you don't want to be outside then, because it's just not fun to be outside. And I don't know why I'm outside, but I just decided to come out real quick for a little bit. starting to come down now. So I don't know, I should be doing this. So I might just cut the video short because it's starting to come down now. It's starting to rain a little more than it was before. So, and I don't want to ruin my phone. So I will probably cut this video short just because of it's starting to rain now, and I don't really want to get my camera wet. But I'll keep going, making videos and stuff. I just want to make sure my phone stays dry. So I'm gonna cut this video short now, and I'll be making more later on. So be happy more.